Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is another exciting video because we got sent some PR. I know, I was personally shocked, I'm not gonna lie. I only, at the time of filming this, have 210 subscribers, so that was just, it always just shocks me when companies reach out and want to work with me. I wanted to make this video today because I had personally never heard of this company and I'd never personally tried them myself, but they reached out to me. I looked up their product, I looked up the company, and it really intrigued me. So I thought it might be a fun little experiment to go ahead and take the PR package. Let's unbox it together, try out the contents of this package, and I thought it would also be fun to give you like weekly updates on how I'm progressing with the product. This product in particular, it is pretty pricey, which for me personally isn't something I would spend my money on, and I would want to know a good review on the product before I were to spend my hard-earned money on anything. So, in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying the Deminuage Skincare Nano Pen. I know, it sounds a little scary. It looks a little scary too, but I am so intrigued by this. I want to give it a shot. If you are also interested in Deminuage skincare pens and you'd like to see me unbox this and try it out on my face today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. First things first, I'm going to open up this package and we're going to unbox it. Then I'm going to get on their website and just tell you a little bit about the pen because it sounds like too good to be true. So we're going to test it out and I'm going to do weekly updates so you can see the progress of my skin because I don't know if you have been following me for a while, but my skin has been god awful lately. I have a ton of active breakouts on my cheeks, down on my lower chin area. I've got fine lines, dark circles, and wrinkles galore. So I'm very curious to see if this Deminuage pen is going to help with that. We're just going to open this puppy up. Oh gosh, I'm losing stuff already. Okay, it looks like this when you open it up. Everything is packaged nicely. It almost looks like medical grade. Don't be nervous, it's fine. I'm going to take all of the contents out and then we will go through it one by one. But this is full of things. I am not sure what they do. So many. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow. This looks fancy. And very lastly, they even include the battery to turn the pen on. So that came with a lot of stuff. Like even more stuff. That one box came with all of this and the battery to get the machine to start. So everything is labeled nicely. The packaging is nice and minimal. Very clean and like I said, medical grade looking, honestly. So we're going to go one by one. I have two packages of Blanc whitening serum. And it's nice because it actually does have the instructions on the back of the packaging. So I know I'm a little bit intimidated by all of this, but it does come with step-by-step instruction on each package. So that's really nice. I've got 3 packages of the Deminuage 5 times daily NANOCHIPs, and this says to use daily to gently condition the skin. So it sounds like this is a daily treatment, and I have 15 of these. Oh, I'm sorry, I have 20. I have another 5 of the daily NANOCHIPs in this package here. And then I have 2 of the 5 times booster NANOCHIPs, and this says to use 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. Okay. It does come with a step-by-step pamphlet, which I am going to need for today's video because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. It comes with a registration form to register your Deminuage pen. I mean, okay, it's got a 1-year device warranty,
a sign-up bonus, reward points for purchases, and full customer support.
And this is the NANOCHIP pen device. It looks very futuristic. I'm so confused. Okay, where does the battery go? Okay, battery, got it. Okay, I put the battery in. This has 1 speed. I did notice that they have the Luxe Deminuage NANOCHIP pen, and it's got 3 different speeds on their website, but the PR kit includes just the regular, like 1 speed NANOCHIP device, so that's cool. Okay, great. So they did send me a serum to use. 2 packages of that, remember? And then I guess I'm using the daily NANOCHIP. So I will use one of these and one of these today. And we will try out the NANOCHIP pen. I am a little bit nervous. It kind of seems painful. Okay. Just from opening it up and reading the instructions, I haven't even gotten to the website yet. I can see one issue, and that is that these NANOCHIPs, you have to continually buy them from the site's website. And I feel like that can get a little pricey. I do like that they're individual use. I think that's very clean. But at the same time, that can get pretty expensive. So let's actually get onto their website, see what this pen claims to do, and actually see how much these little cartridges are, because I have no idea. Okay, so this little tiny NANOCHIP pen claims to, this is what caught my attention. This is why I was like, yes, I will accept your PR kit, because I have got to know if this does everything that it says it's going to do, and we are going to find out over a course of probably a couple of weeks. So it gives eyes a younger look, reduces pimple and acne scarring, keeps skin smooth and firm, smooths away crow's feet, restores skin elasticity, and brightens dark spots. That is a lot that it claims to do. So I want to just quickly get on here and see how much these little NANOCHIPs actually cost, because I have 20 NANOCHIPs and you're supposed to use this every single day. So you can get the booster NANOCHIPs, 5 of those for $20. You can get the daily NANOCHIPs, 5 for $15. You can get a daily NANOCHIP 3-month supply for $130. So they do have quite a few options, but yes, that is the very first thing I kind of noticed, is that this seems like it could get kind of pricey if you're meant to use it every single day for the best results. So let's keep that in mind. According to their website, you should be able to see smooth and firm skin after 3 weeks, a younger look on your eyes basically instantly, brighter dark spots within 1 week. After 2 weeks, you should be able to see a reduction of like pimple scarring and things like that, which I'm very interested in. Crow's feet, you should be able to tell a difference instantly. And also skin elasticity, you should be able to see a difference within 4 weeks. So I am very intrigued by this product. I am going to go ahead and wash my face, and then we are going to try this dang pen out, and we will see what we think of the instant results. And then I will be doing a weekly update so you can actually see the results unfolding. So I will be right back. Okay, I am going to take a quick snapshot of what my skin is looking like on day 1, use number 0. I hate my bare skin. It is looking awful. So hopefully this little mysterious miracle pen will help with all of that. So I'm going to get a daily NANOCHIP out. Looks like that in the package. I'm telling you, this looks medical grade. This looks like something that you would open at a hospital. And I'm just going to twist that on. Okay, that's my daily NANOCHIP. I'm going to open up the Blanc brightening serums. So when I was reading on their website, I was kind of curious just how the microchip worked. What was the point of it really? Because it kind of seems like microdermabrasion, which every skincare person on TikTok and YouTube will tell you to absolutely 100% not do this at home. So that kind of made me a little nervous, but I am just so curious. So we are going to try it today. This little microchip temporarily creates microscale channels in the outer layer of skin to help transport active ingredients into the deeper layers. Overcoming the skin barrier allows for 10 to 20 times better absorption of these ingredients. There is no pain, bleeding, or discomfort. The microscale channels close within 20 minutes of use to ensure both efficacy and safety. Okay, I'm a little nervous. I'm going to open up one of these daily brightening boosters, and then I'm just going to follow these step-by-step instructions on the back of the packaging. To open, place hands on each side of the bottle and twist along the bottle neck. Okay, we have ran into our first issue here. Okay, I just had to give it a little start. So here we go. I'm just opening that up. Okay, I'm putting the bottle condom on. What's wrong with me? Place the rubber head over the bottle, ensuring there's no gap between the dripper and the body of the bottle. I'm going to start on my forehead because I have a lot of fine lines on my forehead. And according to the instructions, we are supposed to go from the center to the outer and not going over the same area more than 3 times. So that seems safe. So I'm just going to apply the serum. To apply the serum, hold the bottle vertically to the skin surface and gently tap skin surface with the rubber. Okay, so I'm going to start at the bottom of my forehead and just in straight lines go this direction. Why am I so nervous right now? Okay, here's the moment of truth. Ooh. Ooh, okay, it does not hurt at all. Oh no. I feel like I might be addicted to this thing. You guys will have to stick around and see how this thing works over time. You will not be able to tell with one use, so stick around. Hit that subscribe button because I want to see how well this thing works. Okay, I'm going to go in the middle of my forehead because I have a fine line right here. Okay. That was kind of fun. I have crow's feet, so we're going to start there as well. I'm just going to dab a little bit. Okay. And then also it is supposed to help lighten dark circles under the eyes. This thing just claims to do just about everything. I have a ton of serum left as well. It's barely going anywhere. Okay. Under the eye next. It doesn't hurt at all, and actually it's kind of nice. Feels really good. Up next, I am like the poster child for this product, but up next I have my acne scarring, and I actually have active acne as well. So we're gonna go along here as well. Just dab, dab, dab the serum. And here we go. I'm just going in one line after another. Okay, we're gonna move on to the other side of my face now. Same thing, up at the top. I'm just dabbing the serum on. This feels so nice that I feel like I could easily go over the spots more than 3 times. Okay, and that is day 1, my first time ever using the Deminuage NANOCHIP pen, and I actually did enjoy it. You can end your NANOCHIP session with a face mask, so that is exactly what I'm going to do today to get optimal benefits, so I will be right back with that. Today I'm using the Tony Moly I'm Rice Clear Skin Mask. I got this at Ulta. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. So the nano chips are supposed to just give all of the products that you're using an opportunity to sink even deeper down into your skin. So I am really excited to see the results I get. I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button so you can follow me along for this journey because I am really excited.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being.
Okay, I am not washing this off. I'm just going to let it sink into my nano chip channels. Okay, I'm really getting in here. Okay, I'm really getting in close. And okay, listen, hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can you see this lack of crow's feet right here? and my lack of dark, like deep lines in my forehead and between my eyebrows. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, I haven't really moved my face a lot because I'm trying to, okay, I'm a very expressive person. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. All right, hold on. Let's take an after photo. We got to see the after photo. I'm not kidding. I can't really hardly see any of my fine lines around my eyeballs, at least. I think over time I will see like the lightening underneath my eyeballs and the acne scarring as well. I think that stuff will take time. But as far as even just the fine lines on my forehead, in between my eyebrows, around my eyes, I can definitely see that that has diminished after the first use. That's crazy to me. I highly, highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button because I want you to see the weekly updates with this product. I am really, really excited for it. My skin has been absolute crap lately, and I am really excited to see it kind of get a little better, a little healthier looking, a little plumpy. I'm very excited. I hope you are too. Thank you so much to Deminuage for thinking of me for this PR kit and for sending that to me. I really do appreciate it. I am so excited to see the progress I make with the product. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!